You can make this recipe without the flour in them, but in my opinion gives extra crispiness and gives this flavor like a breaded thing. So you can use any flour which you get. I used corn flour and gluten-free flour, but you can use any one which is good in your opinion.
I can't stand that.
When you bake them, make sure the grains don't touch each other. On this way you can have crispy and nice chickpeas in the end. Depends on your oven, takes to 10 to 15 minutes to bake them, but make sure on 5-10 minutes to shake them and make sure they get crispy and you wouldn't burn them. It's very important not to get too dark because they get very easy this burnt flavor and taste. Better you leave them little bit soft and then you let them cool down nicely and they're gonna get crispy by themselves in the end.
Friends that you know me now. Oh, I can't.
You can use some sauces to add some flavor. As you see, I use soy sauce and ketchup, and my soy sauce which I use, it's organic, gluten-free and sugar-free, which is important for me. And the ketchup which I use, it's made by me, and I'm gonna give you a link in the end of the video.
Can't stand that when nobody's into with somebody's with somebody.
For people like me, it's very important to have something healthy to snack with, and everybody who cares about this know how hard it is to find this on the stores, where it's full with food without any value and nutrition. So I found out this recipe. It's super fast and easy to make it, and you know, you can bring it anywhere with you and enjoy it whenever you like. But I do recommend you to soak the chickpeas before you bake them, and for that I'm gonna leave you a link in the end and you can see more about that. And if you care about health, you should follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. On this way you're gonna join our healtharian family for people who care about their health and good and tasty food. See you next Sunday with amazing and good topic. Ciao! You can use any flour. In the end you should leave them little bit soft and no, it's on your oven, takes to 10 to 15 minutes to make sure to bake them.
To help you find your way, find your way.